In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Salt Chemist in Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Salt Chemist is one of the 14 obtainable oaths in Deepwoken. It is a highly customizable utility oath based around alchemy, where its benefits and applications vary greatly on the potions in your arsenal, allowing for various buffs to yourself and debuffs on your enemy. It is the only oath that requires intelligence, so as one of the prerequisites, you will need 75 intelligence, and then you will have to complete some certain steps. So in this video, I'm going to go over the requirements. After you obtain 75 intelligence, make at least one potion for Sierra. You do not need to learn the location of Adrophalis before undertaking the oath. Like I said before, make sure that you have 75 intelligence by this point. You do not need to be unbound. Doing this and having made a potion for Sierra will open Adrophalis dialogue. In Ferryman's library, Adrophalis will ask you to make a residue. Bring him the following ingredients: Celestial Ichor, the blood of a Celestial. Go to Derelict High Church and use a canteen in the blood pool of the Crucified Celestial, and you will be able to get this done. You can lose a life, reset, and go to the depths without the Ichor getting removed, meaning that you can't lose the Ichor. You can also drink some of the Ichor and it will still work. Next, you will need Stardust from a Star 3, so consider getting a second one which is needed to progress the oath, and finally a Primordial Lotus. This can be found in most void zones like Saramide Summit, which is fairly close to Starfield Veld, so it is a good option to grab a few. Once you have Celestial Ichor, Stardust, and Primordial Lotus, gather those ingredients and return to Adrophalis, who will grant you the oath. And as soon as you have it, you will be able to use all of its buffs to your advantage. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Salt Chemist in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.